In this video I'll show you how to do this bone-in pork rib roast. Enjoy! So here's what you need for our bone-in pork rib roast, which we'll do on a spit. Therefore, of course, you'll need a spit and some clams. Of course, the star of the show, our pork rib roast. Then, of course, salt, pepper, garlic, and some paprika powder, the sweet variety at best, especially if you have kids eating with you, or any other rub that you would like to put on, or spice mixture, whatever you want to call it. So I'll get you in close and then we will fix this up. Since there is not so much to clean up because it's already very nicely trimmed, I just went ahead and got off the silver skin from the bones. That's just like when you do ribs, there is the chewy silver skin on there. You don't want to have that, so you might as well just get it off. We will, however, have to do something about the skin side here. We'll have to poke some holes and then we will score it diagonally and yeah, have a nice crispy skin in the end, hopefully. For the poking, you could use a fork. I'll just use my knife and just stab it a bit. Doesn't have to be very conform, or it's just that you have a way of avoiding like big bubbles. Alright, that should be about enough. Now we score it. Just score it through the skin. Can go a bit into the fat, but if not, that would be ideal. You just want to really cut the skin. Makes it easier for you later to cut portions off of it, and also it helps with the nice crackling later. So, and then we will go in the opposite direction. Now you have to be a bit careful that you don't rip off any skin. Alright, that's it. Now we pull it open a bit and put a load of salt on it. Be very liberal with this because it will dry out the skin and therefore help it be more crispy in the end. And you rub it in. See that it goes in all the little cuts that we just made. There we go. Nice. Oh, that's that for the upper side, or for the skin side. Now I do the same with the meat side. First again, a good coating of salt. Try to get all the sides. And we use pepper. Then we have our friend garlic powder again. And for some color, we'll use some paprika. Since we did not necessarily get all the sides, we can do some and get all of it. So next would be skewering. And to try and put it more or less in the middle of the skewer. So about here. And since we have a bit of a bigger part here than here, we will go a bit to the right or to the bigger part and try to go more or less through the middle. So. All right, see you on the grill. Okay, so the grill is started, and then we put on our little skewer. Till it's securely fastened, and turn on the rotisserie. Turns nicely, so we can leave it like that for, I'd say, about 2 to maybe 3 hours until it's the desired temperature. I would say around 60 degrees core temperature should be enough. Now after about 2 hours we hit about 65 degrees internal temperature. Now we will crank up the heat a bit to get the skin crispy as we like it. By the way, the temperature that I had the grill on was around 150 degrees. Depends if you want to be faster or not, but usually slower gives better meat. Alright, we'll crisp up the skin and then let it rest for about 20-30 minutes, maybe a bit longer, and then we will eat it. It'll be awesome. It tastes or smells delicious already. Later. And there we have it, the finished product. As you can hear, very crispy skin. We will surely enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.